Welcome to JH. To remove your Gmail, you must delete your entire Google account. Keep in mind that this action erases everything, including all your emails and account data. Start by clicking your profile icon in the corner. Then select Manage your Google account. Once the new window opens, navigate to the Data and Privacy section. Scroll down until you see the option to Delete your Google account and click it. Google will prompt you for your password. Enter it and hit Next. Carefully review the information provided. Google emphasizes that this is important, so pay close attention to the details. If you agree, check both required boxes to confirm you want to permanently erase the account and its data. Finally, click Delete Account. If this was a mistake, you can quickly restore it by clicking the Recovery button and signing back into your account. As you can see, the account is now restored. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.